You ever notice how easy it is to point fingers, but how hard it is to look yourself in the mirror? We'll blame life, we'll blame people, timing, we'll even blame God before we ever say, nah, maybe it's me. And that right there, that's why most people stay stuck. Because the moment you take accountability, you lose your excuses. And once your excuses are gone, you either gonna rise or you're gonna stay exactly where you are. See, accountability isn't about shame, it's about ownership. It's saying, if my life is out of order, I know for a fact that I'm the only one that can bring it back into order. That's when you go from victim of life to student of life. And the student learns way faster than a victim could ever complain. You can't grow blaming everybody else for what you allowed. You can't heal pointing out their flaws while ignoring your own. Growth starts when you stop playing defense against the truth. Let me tell you something. Every blessing I've ever received started with correction. Every elevation came after I admitted, yeah, that was on me. And the crazy part, God never punished me for it. He promoted me through it. Because humility attracts grace. And pride repels grace. Proverbs 28:13 says, people who conceal their sins will not prosper. But if they confess and turn from them, they will receive mercy. That's the blueprint, y'all. You want mercy? Be honest. You want change? Be accountable. Stop saying, they did me wrong, and start saying, I stayed too long. Stop saying nobody supports me and start saying, maybe I depended too much on being validated. Because when you own your truth, nobody can weaponize it against you. Accountability is freedom. It means you control your healing, you decide how the story ends, you choose peace over pity. And once you master the level of self-awareness, you stop arguing with people who only know the old version of you. So take this moment and ask yourself, what part did I play in the pain I keep repeating? Because once you face the truth, you stop breaking down and you start breaking through. This is Benrich Mindset, where men stop blaming and start building. Lock in, own your reflection, then level up. I ain't gonna tell y'all nothing that ain't real. I might tell a joke, but I'll never tell you a lie. Peace. Thanks for watching.